Hello everyone, welcome to the club era of AI. Like you guys might also facing this issue of whenever you're trying to install any new skill using ClawHub, you might be getting this error of install failed due to ClawHub rate limit exceeding. So there's a small tweak of this. What you have to do is you just have to go to ClawHub and you have to log in. Okay, you have to first log in, then go to settings and then just create new token from here. Okay, this CLI token. You have to create a new token from here. This might be your token. So whatever token you just copy that. Okay, then just go to Telegram. Where is your bot? Just go there and write ClawHub login and then write test this token. So what I have to do is I have to just paste in here. Okay, I will revoke it. Just I'm doing it for now. So you just have to do this one. ClawHub login and dash dash token and then this. Just enter this. So it will log in. Okay. So now you are logged in. It will tell you that whatever your username will be. Okay. Then if you will install the new skill, you're automatically able to install your skill. So let's say I have to install this new skill of self-improvement, which was previously not able to install. So I'll just copy this thing, install this skill.